Wazobia TV. As you know, as usual, as we come enter the street, we do anyhow. They like say nothing they happen, but something they happen. Back it there. The question I get to ask me say yes, sir. If you date as you date now as a guy, you don't date a girl before, and you can't date. If you still date the girl sister, that's one question. Likewise, the boy, the lady, if you still date the guy brother. Still on the matter on Straight Chance on Wazobia TV. Fire. Oh, don't mind me. My wife just born. It's sweet, my body. Still on the matter. Break it. At the end of that street now. How you doing? Wazobia TV. Alright, now so there be so many fine girls that like shy away from camera, but it's not their fault because this country, camera, sometimes they say not for white people. No, not for the black people. That's why camera is black. Still on the matter. Break it. As you do like this, you date your boyfriend before when you date, eh? If you got dating guy again, your in brother.
Yes.
You sure? So you go date. So if you date two brothers.
As far as money day, no problem.
As far as money day. I tell you, still on the matter. Break it there. Break it there. Madam, good afternoon. How you doing?
Good afternoon.
Have fun. How you doing now? You just go office.
Yes.
Why now? Why you there? Your office in the afternoon?
Traffic day now.
Traffic, eh? Hey, down another topic for the day. With you, how they stop traffic for Lagos? But the question when I throw today be say yes. As you date now, if you date your boyfriend, your ex-boyfriend, if you go date him brother again.
Ex-boyfriend?
Yes.
No.
Eh?
I'm through with him and his family.
You are true with him and his family?
Yes.
So you go face another family?
Yes.
Then if that family fuck up, go face another family?
Yes.
Just like that?
Just
face
like
it,
that. Nah, so.
Oh, cool. Still on the matter, Straight Chance on Wazobia TV. Make I enter the man there. Guy, have fun, how you dey?
I dey fine.
You dey okay so?
Yeah.
Go dey catch you?
No?
You don't chop?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
What you chop this?
You know, na bread and beans. You know, it's na Lagos food now.
The bread and beans, have you?
Yeah, bread and beans.
The bread and beans?
Yeah.
Correct guy. If you date your ex-girlfriend in same place, his sister.
Why not? Why not? Yeah.
You go date somebody?
Yeah.
From that family?
Yeah, I can
from
date.
That family where you don't run this.
No problem now. It happens. It happens, you know.
Yeah.
It can be my life. She can be the love of my life. Yeah.
All right, still in the matter, Nigerians, they're not for beats or kind things. I don't know whether level not for this country again. Me are not official, but you know, say some of us today, they overlook some kind things. But let's say this. Hello, mother, how you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Now pidgin English I want. This is English I don't like. But I was Wazobia TV. If you date your ex-boyfriend,
I know if you do, I know be bad girl. Be like, brother, I
you don't be like this guy.
No.
So this guy is a bad guy.
A bad guy.
No be say I bad. She you get. Na choice. Yeah. If you be my love, she you get.
So you know if you date her?
I know if you date
The
her.
guy can't get money, uncle.
He get money and na true love we dey talk about. If I no love him, I know if he date her because of the money.
Money to develop love.
Na lie.
Forget, na person I see person.
Money fit dey and love no dey, so no enjoyment for that one.
If money dey, love go come. My brother, if love dey, if money dey, love go come.
Why don't you love before money? Why don't you love before money?
Oh my God.
Love doesn't exist again. She again.
Can you date a guy that doesn't have money?
Yeah, when we are talking about true love, you can't dispute the fact that you love the person, not money.
Still on the Shining 195 Wazobia TV Street Chance. Now forget my sister. When money day like this, I love the set too. See what happen.
Everybody like money and you always aspire.
My brother, I don't see where man come down for motor be like this. Guess the alarm. Wow, looking so romantic. They don't want to know. So far money day, forget that thing.
Are you fella with the sing music? No Americans they die for her. Now because of the money is there. That's why everybody, many of them are dying for Ayefele.
And the love got to develop.
Can you marry a rich man's daughter if you don't get money? No, just answer the question. Can you marry a rich man's daughter if you don't get money? Because the papa will soon come back and tell you that I'm the one that make you to be rich. Try to remember that.
That's the highest result of your life. The highest result of your life. You should not hear this guy again.
Wait, okay, fine. If papa fit come say he won't collect the money back, I'll be fine. But before papa come, boy self go down canvas now. Boy go down canvas. Look at we run things.
This guy, let's say you be a boy. All right, still on the matter of Straight Chance on Wazobia TV. Straight Chance. With the Watchmen live Don't touch you that. You fit date your ex-girlfriend, siblings, or your ex-boyfriend, siblings. Anyhow, so no matter. Wait, come. Okay, how far are you there now?
Yeah, too much.
Now Wazobia TV be this.
Okay,
All right, okay, if you hear me talk, come out. So,
now what happen? Now only my family go. Let's go another place now.
I say sweet things there, your family.
No, make you go another place.
Make go another family,
Make go take another one.
Yeah, father, quick there. But if the boy bring money, come this time, come.
Forget about money. Money na small thing.
Yeah.
Not being money I take train now.
Yeah.
So if you know if you stay with the first one, make it go. I don't want to say for my gate again. I say I go tie and down with dog.
You go tie down with dog.
With dog.
And you not get dog for us.
My house.
You get dog.
My compound.
Yes.
I'll come there one day now.
Now, no, so your compound not be cat food there, not be dog.
Mbao.
The way of snake, I be. Okay, your compound and snake there.
Huh?
Your compound and snake.
You never see me or snake for compound before.
Back there, still on the matter, Wazobia TV Street Chance. Yeah. Why I say? You not go feel wrong. How far you there? No, you dey hurry. Wait now. How far now? All right, still on the matter, Street Chance. Now, so guys that they do, they just say that they in hurry. Nothing, no, they're not in hurry. Ah, yes. They go hurry, enter toilet now. Nothing they happen. Still on the matter, Street Chance on Wazobia TV. Back. Oh, by the way, put it up on camera. Oh, Lord, I thank you. God, we thank you. We give you God the glory. We give you all the... Say amen, madam. Madam, say amen. Madam, say amen. Say amen. You don't say amen. They won't register now. The Baba won't register now. All right, so no matter. Madam, how far are you there?
I'm fine.
Yeah, as you do like this, you don't marry.
You won't marry me.
You don't marry.
You won't marry me.
I won't marry you.
And the girl husband.
You get husband. Okay, as you do like this, somebody come now. One boy, you don't go on a bit. Somebody come now, he's saying don't date your daughter. Then another, as you date your daughter, if you call it that your daughter, some time come back, say one date your second daughter, I go agree.
God forbid.
Why you say God forbid?
I reject it. Abomination, how will I accept it? It's your person.
That will not be abomination.
Oh God, abomination, it's too early. It's too early.
It's too early.
It's too early.
What time day? After 12, but if like say just wake up. Akasha. All right, if you watch me live on Street Chance on Wazobia TV, channel 195. If you watch me live, you don't hear so many people's opinion. They don't talk their mind. They don't say their mind. I tell you, it's too early. It's too early. Because person when wake up around 2 o'clock, you say that money day. It's too early. It's too what?
Early.
See you on the next edition. God bless you. Back it there.